This right here on the screen, and this one that just popped up, and also this last one, a withdrawal float made by some people who actually traded on the previous deposit bonus which I made weekly on, and this also actually gave me full joining fully well. I can actually share update people to trade the forex market without risking any of their funds, not taking a single penny of their phone, and also make withdrawal from it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free 1K profit account which you just need to trade, miss the required step, and also you can also just place withdraw. And also one thing I know for sure is that if you don't follow the steps I'll be showing in this video, if you don't follow these steps, I can promise you won't be getting this profit account. And I'm sure you're happy to see more withdrawal posts from other people trading the forex market, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on updates like this. So kindly just subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss out anytime I drop a free update on how to make money online without adding any penny to it. This account is actually hard. I'm not asking money from anyone. I'm just doing this to share updates and make sure everyone can make money from the forex market without risking any of their funds. So proceeding to the video, you first need to click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section. There's a link in the comment section you can just click on, and also if you go to the description you get to see full details about this profit account. And having full details about the profit account, you can also just click on the referral link which I'll be adding there, and the referral link will bring you to this site right here, having details like this on the screen, requiring you to register by filling in your details into the boxes. Alright, so you can see firstly you need to put in your first name, input your email address, and once you input your email address, you click on confirm right here. Now if you click on confirm, the code will be sent to your email address which you just copy and come back to this place to put in into this box right here. So after filling every details correctly, you'll be logged into the site having details like this. So the reason I'm having mine in this is because I already have an account with them already, so I just need to just proceed to getting the free profile account into my trading section. So you can see right here, I'm just diving into another section. Before, for this platform right here, actually hosted the free deposit bonus before, but it has ended, and now they are on with a free profile account. So coming to this section to see details about their bonus, but this is not where we are coming to. So going back to the section that has details like this, which is the main menu, now you can see everything like this. Just click on these three lines right here at the top. Now scroll up a little bit until you see prop firm. You scroll up a little bit. All we're looking for right here in this option is prop trading. Now see right here prop trading, you need to click on create new one. Now one thing I want you to notice is if you click on create new one, it will have been added to the main screen, but this option right here will still be showing. Now you just need to click on create new one, create new, and immediately click on create new, you go back to the options where you had the three lines before. So you can see right here we have details already applied on the screen. You don't need to wait for after clicking on the create new one, you don't need to wait until maybe it takes you to a new page or something. Just go back. You have this on the screen. Now to get the free profit account, you can see this is a combination of profit accounts and they all have the price right here. And you can see for each profit has its own price underneath it right here. For the profit account, there's a specified amount you are actually going to pay. But I'm actually going to, you just need to scroll down up, you keep scrolling until you get to the section that says $0 for the profit. You need to keep scrolling, and the one that has $0 must have a $1,000 for the capital which should be given. Just you need to keep scrolling. Now you can see there's another one that has $1,000, but it has a price of $9 if you're actually going to buy the profit. But that's not why we're here. We're actually here for the free 1K profit accounts. Now you need to keep scrolling to the top until you get to the $1,000 profit account that has zero amount. Now you can see right there, that's the $1,000 account which has 1,000 capital but has $0 for the price. Now you can see simple details, the minimum days, the maximum days, and also the profit target. You can see it right there, $60, and the max loss limit is $60 also. Now click on select, you see it right there. So immediately click on select, you scroll down, you need to scroll down where you get to see pay for the account. Now we know it already, already know it's $0, but if you scroll up, if you just scroll up a little bit, you see a section where you need to click on pay. Now you see it right here, this pay right here is what you need to click on, and immediately you click on it, you just need to proceed to having this in our accounts. Now you can see account created successfully, and if you go to your email also, you get to see details about the account in your email also. Next step, you need to click on go to account, then it brings details like this on the screen. Now you can see go to terminal, trading rules for this stage, go to the next stage. Now to see the trading rules, you can just click on this right here that says trading rules of this stage. Now don't forget, like I said before, it has three stages. The program actually has three stages, and you just need to pass three stages before you can actually place withdrawal. For those who don't have idea about how the program works, you have three stages for this program right here. Since it's a free program, we're having just three stages to trade. You just need to pass the three stages and then you can place withdrawal. So you can see right here for the terms and conditions for the program, you can go through it and just make sure you are aware of any important details that they may actually want to add to the video, to the program I mean, and also the important things which I actually explained is you have $60 for the profit target, and also you have $60 for the maximum loss for the account is taken down. So come back to this section where you have go to terminal. So once you click on go to terminal, it will take you to another section where you'll be able to trade with this program. Now clicking on it, we actually need to wait for it to load, and once it's done loading, you should have details like this on the screen. Now notice here, they're not trading this on MT4 or MT5. This is C trader. This is where you're actually going to trade the program account. Now you can see details like this on the screen. And one thing I want you to know, if you're placing the trades, make sure you add your stop loss and your take profits. I'll be showing you a simple step on how to go about it. So since we have this right here on the screen, if you click on this first icon beneath right here, this is where you see the currency pairs on which one you want to trade, and the next one is the chart. This next icon shows you the chart. This next icon beside the currency pairs shows you the chart, and this right here shows you your running trades and other details you actually need to know. Alright, so finally a quick tutorial on how to place trade on this platform. Now once you come to this first icon that shows the currency pairs, now the second section actually shows the chart of the currency pair. Now you choose the currency pair which you actually want to place order on. Now on GBP USD, now you need to click on this three dot chain at the top right here. So once you click on it, it shows details, but the first thing it shows is new order, as you can see it at the top. But every other details will be settings you can actually apply to the chart to give you a nice setup and show you the one you should be able to understand. Now clicking on new order will bring you details like this, where you input the volume, that's the lot size you want to use, and you see it shows the margin in USD. And you can see right here, scrolling down a little bit, you see stop loss, which is SL in price. You input your stop loss into this section and scroll up a little bit, and into this next section it shows TP. Now you can see TP price. You input your TP and your take profit into this box section right here. After inputting your details correctly and you scroll up a little bit, now you can see there's a section for sale and there's a section for buying. So anyone you're actually selecting, you click on it, and by the time you go back to this section that shows the running trades, you see you have this right here. So having this, the fact you actually apply your TP and your stop loss, that means that will leave the trade running until you hit TP or stop loss. But if you don't add your TP or stop loss, after a minute of running trade, the trade will close automatically on its own. So as simple as that. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like to the video and subscribe. Have a nice day guys.